Hi all, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to the journey of multiple language learning. In today's video, we are going to learn short sentences in English and its translation in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. 5 languages in one channel. Let me begin with our today's session, but before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. And kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So yeah, if you are ready, let's get started. Let me go first. Now let's have a look at Hindi. मुझे पहले जाने दो. Let's move on to Tamil. முதலில் என்னை போக விடு. Now in Telugu, నన్ను ముందుగా వెళ్ళనివ్వు. And in Kannada, నన్నನ್ನು మొదలు ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡು. Now let's have a look at number 2. Don't text me. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. मुझे text मत करो या message मत करो. எனக்கு text பண்ணாத. So this was in Tamil. నాకు message చేయవద్దు. In Telugu, ನನಗೆ message ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. This is in Kannada. Number 3. Who is laughing? Let's learn this in Hindi. कौन हंस रहा है? Now in Tamil, यार सिरिकिरदु. Let's move on to Telugu. ఎవరు నవ్వుతున్నారు? And in Kannada, ಯಾರು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Number 4. Let me think over. Now let's have a look at Hindi. मुझे सोचने दो. Now in Tamil, என்னை யோசிக்க விடு. In Telugu, నన్ను ఆలోచించనివ్వు. And in Kannada, నన్నನ್ನು ಯೋಚಿಸಲು ಬಿಡು. Now let's move on to number 5. I believe in myself. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. मैं खुद पे विश्वास करता हूँ और मुझे खुद पर विश्वास है. Now in Tamil, நான் என்னை நம்புகிறேன். Let's move on to Telugu. నేను నన్ను నమ్ముతాను. And in Kannada, ನಾನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಂಬುತ್ತೇನೆ. Next, number 6. Let's go home now. Let's have a look at Hindi. चलो घर चलते हैं. In Tamil, నామ இப்போ వీட்டுకు పోగలాం. In Telugu, మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇంటికి వెళ్దాం. In Kannada, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Next, wash your face. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. अपना चेहरा धो लो. Now in Tamil, உன்னோட முகத்தை கழுவவும். Now in Telugu, మీ ముఖంని కడుక్కోండి or నీ ముఖంని కడుక్కో. Now in Kannada, ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ತೊಳ್ಕೋ or ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ತೊಳೆಯಿರಿ. So you can say in any of these ways. Let's move on to number 8. Turn off the alarm. Let's have a look at Hindi. Alarm को बंद करो. Now in Tamil, alarm off पन्नु. Now in Telugu, alarm off చేయండి or alarm off చెయ్యి. And in Kannada, alarm అನ್ನು off ಮಾಡು. Now let's have a look at number 9. I tried again. Let's check out this in Hindi. मैंने फिर से कोशिश की. Now in Tamil, நான் மீண்டும் முயற்சித்தேன். Now in Telugu, నేను మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించాను. And in Kannada, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Let's move on to number 10. Can I see that one? Can I see that one? In Hindi, क्या मैं उसे देख सकता हूँ? Now in Tamil, நான் அதை பார்க்கலாமா? Moving on to Telugu, నేను దాన్ని చూడవచ్చా? And in Kannada, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ? ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ? So how was today's session? I hope you were engaged throughout the video. Keep watching my channel videos and learn to speak different languages as a native speaker. Practice makes man perfect. So keep practicing to speak multiple languages through the help of my channel videos. So yeah, it's time to wind up with our today's journey of language learning. Before I sign off, as always, my kind request would be, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So yeah, that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.